Do you ever feel like building wealth is impossible because you don't have enough money to start? The truth is, you don't need to be rich to start building wealth. All you need is the willingness to take action and the mindset to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Let's talk about the power of starting small. Every big success story began with a single step. Think about it, Warren Buffett didn't become one of the richest people in the world overnight. He started by selling chewing gum and Coca-Cola as a kid, making small profits and learning the value of money. That small beginning planted the seeds for his financial empire. The same principle applies to you. Whatever you have right now is enough to start. Even if it's just saving $1 a day, it's not about the amount, it's about building the habit. Over time, small, consistent actions add up to something much bigger. It's the law of compounding, and it's one of the most powerful forces in creating wealth. But wealth isn't just about saving, it's also about investing, in yourself, your skills, and your future. For example, if you can't save a lot of money yet, think about how you can invest in gaining knowledge or learning a skill that will increase your earning potential. Maybe it's taking free online courses, watching tutorials, or learning how to monetize a hobby. The opportunities are endless if you're willing to look for them. Another way to start building wealth is by creating multiple streams of income. This doesn't mean you need to start the next big business tomorrow. It can be something simple, like selling items you no longer need, starting a small side hustle, or even investing in stocks with whatever small amount you can afford. The key is to get started. Now, I know what you might be thinking: what if I fail? What if it doesn't work out? And here's the truth: you might fail. But failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the journey. Every failure is a lesson, and every lesson brings you closer to achieving your goals. The real failure is not trying at all. Imagine your future self a year from now. Picture where you could be if you start today. Maybe it's finally having an emergency fund, making your first investment, or turning your passion into profit. Whatever it is, it's only possible if you take that first step. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, it's about freedom, choices, and the ability to live life on your terms. And that freedom starts with the small decisions you make today. Don't wait for the perfect time, because the perfect time doesn't exist. The best time to start is now. So, what's stopping you? You don't need a lot of money or a groundbreaking idea. You just need the determination to start small, stay consistent, and believe in the process. The journey to wealth begins with a single step, and today is the perfect day to take it.